Divide 3t to the third minus 5t squared minus t plus 6 divided by 3t minus 2. This will be a long division problem. Our dividend is 3t to the third minus 5t squared minus t plus 6. And I might pause here to add that you want to make sure that you have all of your exponents accounted for in your dividend. In other words, we're not missing any terms here. We have a t to the third, a t squared, and a t to the first, and a t to the 0. But if we were missing any of those, we would need to replace that with a 0 as a placeholder. Our divisor is 3t minus 2. So 3t goes into 3t to the third t squared times. So we write t squared above the t squared in the dividend. Multiply t squared times 3t is 3t to the third. And t squared times negative 2 is negative 2t squared. Now, just as we do in long division of real numbers, we'll subtract this binomial from the one above it, so that will require us to change the signs and add. So we get a 0 here and a negative 3t squared. Bring down the next term. 3t goes into negative 3t squared and negative t times. Negative t times 3t is negative 3t squared. And negative t times negative 2 is positive 2t. Once again, we want to subtract this binomial from the one above it, so we do that by adding the opposite, giving us a 0t squared and a minus 3t. Bring down the last term of plus 6. 3t goes into negative 3t, negative 1 times. Negative 1 times 3t is negative 3t. Negative 1 times negative 2 is a positive 2. And when we subtract by adding the opposite, we have a remainder of 4. So our quotient is going to be t squared minus t minus 1 plus a remainder of 4 over 3t minus 2.